I heard you want to know about the makeup. It is indeed the makeup tutorial for you guys to know how to put makeup in your face for the Halloween. So, all you need is a tiny brush. Brush for there, every there. So, this is what you need first. Next is the powder. Choose the powder that is very white, so that you will look like a monster. Monster with big eyes, monster with white face, and monster with red lips. There, that's all you need. No, not all. We have another one. This one is for the lips. Lips, you need the red, very red one, so that when you try that to someone, and they will run for their lives. So here you need this one. Next is for the eyebrow. Eyebrow here for the darker, the more scarier. So we need this one. It is called eyeshadow. That is why it's called eyeshadow, because it leaves a shadow to your face, to your eyes. There, that's it. So that's all we need. Oh no, we need this one. It's an eyeliner. It's because it puts a line to your eyes. That's it. So let us start with a powder. Okay, first we do this one. We try to put it here. Put. If that's not put, you use your fingers. You use your hands. That's like this. Scrub it all. Scrub. Put. There. It leaves white. If it does not work to your face, if you're so black, very black that it will not cover up your face, then you can use this multi-purpose. If you put it right away in your face, right away it becomes white. You wanna try? Here, put plenty of powder in your hands, like this one, like as big as your eyes, face. It's so white, right? That's all you need. You do like this, you blow. There, you blow, and you put it here, over your face. You see? You leave white. That is white. There, you put it evenly. You use the brush. There. So white. So it look so scary. Does it look scary? Very much. Very much. So let's start. No, it's not even. Very well. It's okay. You just scare people. It's okay. It's what you need for the Halloween. You put more and more. You make it even. There. So now, dear, you look like a Chinese, but then you put a lot of makeup, you look like a scary one, like the one flying above the tree and jump at you, and you run for your lives. That's it. Look go. There, as you can see, perfect. Then, what we need is this one. It's an eyeshadow. You need eyeshadow just to make it black. You need to make your eyes black like this. You pick the blackest color. You put it here like, it's gonna cut it like that. There is another one. It's for the eye box. Yes, to cover your eye box. As you can see, all ghosts has no eye box. They have no eye box because they always sleep in their cabin. There, coffin. There. Does it look good? It looks good. Very good. I'm so good at this. It's because my sister usually scares me, and I cut a picture out a lot of this. So here it is.
What are you doing, man?
So, oh my gosh, my sister's hair. So let us do this again anytime. Here, okay.
Oh
Is this
my.
enough?
She's crazy.
This makeup, sister, is for Halloween. You see, they are listening. So
Yeah, what?
this one,
Whatever,
it's
man.
an eyeliner because
Can I borrow your
it puts
blower?
a liner in your eyes. You shut up! Get out! You put it here, then you put it there darker, a little bit darker. There, you put it a little darker. Oh my
Holy
gosh!
shit.
Oh my gosh! You know what? It's broken. Yes, boy, use this one. Use. Hey, get out! Get out! Shut up! Shut up! Then, yes, yes. A little bit darker. Okay, a little bit darker. You say? Yeah. Darker. It's darker enough. Oh no, I look like a Chinese, not a ghost. Here, let's do it.
No,
again.
you look like Panda.
Oh my gosh, I look like Panda. Oh, let's do it again. Wait, let's add more powder. And you know this one? This is not an eyebrow. This. You
Of
put.
course it's not an
You put
eyebrow.
this on your eyebrow to make it darker. See, darker. Yes, that one. That one. This. It's actually for the. What's this for? Sis?
I don't know.
Oh, she don't know.
For your nose.
Okay.
Whatever.
Here, it's darker. What do you think? We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. So now
What are you trying to do?
we're trying to teach them how to put makeup for the Halloween.
Yeah.
Don't you know that? Oh my gosh, you don't have knowledge about that. Get out, get out. Yeah, that's one. This one is red. So you put these lips so that
You put this
it will look like it looks like you have blood on it. There, it's not even red. It looks like a pink. It's because I am a ghost, a slut ghost. Yeah, I died because I raped a guy. Yeah, yes, exactly. Yes, that's it. So, what do you think? No, add a little bit powder on it so that they make it more intense. Like that. Huh? You go, like, oh, very pretty. Huh?
You just ruined your makeup.
No, it's.
I mean, your
I'm a
messed
pro.
up makeup.
I'm a pro. Don't you know that? I am licensed to do this. Huh? Get out. You're disturbing me. So here, my sister is so annoying. She doesn't trust me. Okay, here. So, okay, sister, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights, sister. Turn off the
What would it
lights.
turn up? Whatever.
Oh, turn it back. Turn it back. Turn it back. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was black. I did not
Oh,
do that.
you need to
Sorry.
use your
So,
flashlight.
hear it, guys. Here.
Dude.
This
You need a
is.
flashlight.
Okay, turn it off. Flashlight. Need one.
Here, use this.
I don't have flashlight in the
This, use this.
No!
You're crazy.
I don't have flashlight.
There.
There. What do you think? I turn off. What do you think? 100%? Okay, turn on the light. So guys, that's all. It's a very good 100% true. So if you want to subscribe and like, comment below. And that's all. And that's my sister. She kind of, I don't know. She's dead. I know. And this is the prettiest face, the prettiest makeup you'll ever
Prettiest
see.
face?
That's why I
The
posted
prettiest piece.
Shut up! Get out! I don't want to see your face in here!
Yeah,
Get
whatever.
out! So, guys, this is Delan from Davao, from Philippines. If you want to see more tutorial, now be there. Call, type my name, and go. There it is. Thank you.